the YF-23, often overshadowed by its competitor the F-22 Raptor, remains one of the most fascinating and futuristic jet fighters ever developed. Designed during the Advanced Tactical Fighter (ATF) competition in the late 1980s and early 1990s, the YF-23 was Northrop and McDonnell Douglas's answer to the U.S. Air Force's call for a next-generation air superiority fighter. With its unique design and groundbreaking stealth capabilities, the YF-23 continues to intrigue aviation enthusiasts and military analysts alike. What made the YF-23 stand out was its radical shape and focus on stealth. Nicknamed Black Widow 2 and Grey Ghost, the YF-23 looked like something from a science fiction movie. Its diamond-shaped wings and detail gave it an edge in radar evasion, while its smooth, blended fuselage helped reduce radar cross-section significantly. Compared to the more aggressive look of the F-22, the YF-23 had a ghostly, almost alien presence in the skies. Many experts agree that in terms of stealth, the YF-23 was actually superior to the F-22, offering a lower radar signature and more effective thermal management thanks to its flat, shielded engine exhausts. Speed and performance were also strong suits of the YF-23. It could supercruise a fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, a key requirement for the ATF program. With its powerful Pratt & Whitney YF-119 or General Electric YF-120 engines, depending on the prototype, the jet demonstrated incredible speed and efficiency. Although exact top speeds remain classified, estimates suggest it could reach Mach 2.2, with supercruise capabilities above Mach 1.6. Its high-altitude performance on long-range made it ideal for both interception and deep strike missions. In combat simulations, the YF-23 showed promise in beyond visual range (BVR) engagements, where stealth and speed mattered most. Its avionics and sensor fusion capabilities, while still in development, hinted at future dominance in air-to-air combat. Pilots reported that the YF-23 was stable, smooth to fly, and highly responsive, though slightly less agile in close dogfights compared to the F-22. However, the Air Force ultimately chose the F-22, citing its agility and thrust vectoring capability as major advantages for future combat scenarios. Despite not winning the contract, the YF-23's legacy lives on. Its design influenced future aircraft concepts, including unmanned stealth platforms and sixth-generation fighters. It remains a prime example of innovation and forward-thinking aerospace engineering. For many, the YF-23 is the ultimate what-if jet, stealthier, possibly faster, and certainly bolder in design than its rival. Today, the two surviving prototypes rest in museums, silent but striking reminders of a bold vision for the future of air combat. The YF-23 may have lost the battle for production, but in the minds of many aviation fans, it won the war for imagination.